Welcome to my testimony. What I love about this song is, if you'll notice in a lot of my lessons, I say, bring your testimony. So even for this song specifically, when you're singing this, think about how the Lord has saved you time and time again, not just eternally, but also through the circumstances of our lives. Bring that information in your heart, in your head as you sing this song. And I think it'll just help make the worship all the more real, all the more authentic, and just it's your story, right? Like even though people don't have to know all the details, while you're worshiping, you can know, and it will make the impact of this song in your congregation all the more awesome. So bring your testimony, bring your story, bring the memories of God's grace in your life, how he has saved us, how he's redeemed us, how he's always been there for us, and the testimony that he's continually building in our lives. So also on top of that, bring energy. The words kind of need to, shoot out from your mouth. It moves really fast. This is my testimony. Like if everybody can get locked in on how you're gonna sing it, it'll help tighten things up. So be sure, when I say chew, I don't mean chew like big chew. I mean like it's more your lips moving. This is my testimony from death to life. You kind of want to, and keep it bright and smile. You should smile because this is a upbeat song and there's a lot of noise happening, good noise, instruments and everything in the room. And so the brighter you can make it. Now don't go super smiley, but just natural, but make it pretty bright on the front of your lips, and it'll help making things get it into an EQ space to where it will cut through the mix and we can hear your beautiful vocals. So lots of energy, but more than importantly, just worship the Lord. Remember how he has worked so tremendously in your life, what he did at the cross, and what you anticipate he'll continue to do. So here we go. Here's my testimony.
Let's go over the choruses. The first chorus, we sing unison for the first half of it, and then we jump to a part on the "By Jesus Christ" line. We sing a part, so I'm going to walk through that with you. And I'll go ahead and mention that this first chorus is just like the chorus after the bridge. After the bridge, it all kind of comes down and it's a little quiet, so you sing again in unison with the worship leader, and then you jump up to a part on the same spot as the first chorus. So think of these two together, the first chorus and then the first time you sing the chorus after the bridge. So let's walk through that one together. This is my testimony from death to life, 'cause grace rewrote my story. I'll testify. By Jesus Christ the righteous, I'm justified. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. Now let's talk about how it changes just slightly for the other two choruses. The second chorus that comes after the second verse, and then the very last chorus. Those are the same. And the only difference is that we're singing a part through the whole thing. So let's go over our part. So this time we start higher. This is my testimony from death to life, 'cause grace rewrote my story. I'll testify. By Jesus Christ the righteous, I'm justified. This is my testimony. This is my testimony. So I slowed it down a little bit, so the song's a little bit faster, but I just wanted you to be able to clearly hear the parts. But if you have any questions, always, listen through again, and also be sure and check out the video on the bridge.